How to buy crypto with PayPal. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for the crypto you want to purchase. Today, we'll choose Bitcoin. Enter your desired amount and tap Continue. Choose PayPal as your preferred payment method. Select your preferred provider. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Congratulations! Why is Zengo the best place to buy crypto? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. How long does it take to buy crypto on Zengo with PayPal? On Zengo, buying crypto with PayPal is quick and easy. Once your purchase is confirmed, your crypto arrives in your wallet within minutes. Can I buy crypto with PayPal without verification? For your security and to meet financial regulations, Zengo asks you to verify your ID before buying crypto. This ensures your account stays protected and every transaction is compliant. Can I buy crypto with PayPal under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy crypto assets. Is it safe to buy crypto on Zengo with PayPal? Your crypto purchases on Zengo are safeguarded with next-level security. Using facial recognition, MPC, multi-party computation, threshold signatures, and a real-time Web3 firewall, Zengo keeps your assets secure from start to finish. Can I buy crypto with PayPal in my country? Zengo supports crypto purchases in over 188 countries worldwide. However, there are a few countries where the app or certain features may not be available due to local regulations. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.